Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to change a background. First, open Canva and start a new design. You can choose any size, like a social media post or a custom dimension. Next, navigate to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Click Upload Files to bring your image into Canva, or simply drag and drop it directly onto your canvas. This initial step is crucial for getting your photo ready for editing. Once your image is on the canvas, click on it to select it. You'll see an Edit Photo button appear in the top toolbar. Click this button to reveal a range of editing tools. Look for the Background Remover feature, which is usually found under Tools. With just one click, Canva's AI will work its magic, cleanly separating your subject from its original background in a matter of seconds. Now that your subject stands alone, it's time to add a fresh backdrop. Head over to the left-hand menu and explore Photos for stunning images or Elements for patterns and shapes. You can also select Background to choose a solid color or gradient. Once you find your perfect background, drag it onto the canvas. Right-click and select Send Backward to place it behind your main image. With your new background in place, take a moment to fine-tune the composition. Adjust the size and position of both your subject and the background until everything looks just right. You can also use Canva's editing tools to apply filters or adjust colors, ensuring a cohesive look. When you're satisfied with your creation, click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download to save your masterpiece in high quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.